So where then?
I don't know. We were thinking Italy, maybe?
Full of hot Mediterranean blood, isn't that what they say? Jim is a bit of that.
What? Yeah, right.
Chris complains when a holiday's coming up, don't you?
Do I?
It happens so rarely for us.
What does that mean?
What are you talking about?
Implying something to people that isn't the case.
Chris.
I don't think she was.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
When have I ever complained, ever,
Chris!
about spending time with you and the girls?
That wasn't what I meant.
Never.
We could probably do with keeping a bit of an eye on our own relationship lately.
What do you mean?
I'm going to bed.
Good.
There's often more going on in a marriage than people on the outside are ever aware of.
Yeah, I suppose.
Lay your cards down on the table.
Give me your hand. Did you feel how fast that's going?
We be honest from the start.
Feel mine.
We should stay right where we are.
I know.
In this room.
Terrified.
So am I.
Yeah, we've already done it.
This is the premeditated version, though.
I've been a bit temperamental.
What do you mean?
It's like this constant conviction that I haven't been getting what I deserve, that I'm undervalued.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your code?
What do you want to know?
I need to make sure that you're not up to something I think you might be.
How are you?
Okay.
How are you, really?
Not great.
Now I find myself reassessing whether it ever was proper love.
You can't just fall out of love with someone without even knowing it, you know?
You are beautiful.